Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Autonomous AI Agents. Building AI that sets its own goals, AI systems that can pursue long-term objectives and adapt their plans. Like a personal assistant who not only follows instructions but anticipates your needs. Imagine an AI that doesn't just follow your exact instructions, but anticipates what you need, figures out how to get it done, and adapts its plan on the fly. That's an autonomous AI agent. Think of it like a super smart personal assistant who not only books your flight when you ask, but also suggests a flight because it knows you have an upcoming meeting. For developers, this means moving beyond simple if-then statements to building systems that show real initiative. Most AI you interact with today is reactive. It waits for an input, processes it, and gives an output. Think of a calculator. You input numbers, it calculates. Or a smart speaker. You say, "Play music," it plays. An autonomous AI, however, is proactive. It has internal goals and continuously works towards them, even if you don't give it a new command every second. It's the difference between a remote control car, reactive, and a self-driving car, autonomous. The key differentiator for an autonomous AI agent is its ability to pursue long-term objectives and adapt its plans. Instead of just following a script, it understands a higher-level goal, e.g., keep the user productive, breaks it down into smaller tasks, e.g., clear users' calendar, research relevant information, and constantly re-evaluates its progress. For developers, this means designing systems that can maintain context and show persistence. Autonomous agents have several core components, acting like their brain. 1. Perception. It sees or hears its environment, e.g., reading emails, monitoring stock prices. 2. Memory. It remembers past experiences, facts, and its own actions. 3. Planning and reasoning. It uses its memory and perception to figure out how to achieve its goals. 4. Action. It takes steps in the real or digital world, e.g., sending an email, booking a meeting, querying a database. 5. Goal management. It constantly evaluates if its primary objective is being met and adjusts sub-goals as needed. As developers, we build and connect these modules. How does an AI set its own goals? It's not magic or consciousness, but a sophisticated program. We, as developers, give it a high-level objective, e.g., organize my annual conference. The AI then uses its reasoning capabilities to break this down into smaller, achievable sub-goals. Find a venue, send invitations, manage speakers. It uses its world knowledge, often from large language models, and access to tools, APIs, to define and refine these steps dynamically. It's like giving it a project brief and letting it create the task list itself. For developers, building autonomous agents often involves combining powerful tools, large language models, LLMs. These act as the brains for reasoning, planning, and understanding instructions. Tool use, APIs. Agents need to interact with the world. We give them access to APIs, e.g., calendar APIs, email APIs, web search APIs, so they can act on their plans. Memory management. Implementing databases or simple files to store long-term context and past interactions. Orchestration frameworks. Libraries that help manage the flow between perception, planning, action, and memory. Your job is to connect these pieces and define the initial mission. Autonomous AI agents are already transforming industries. From hyper-personalized customer service and advanced smart home systems that anticipate your comfort needs, to industrial automation that optimizes processes on its own, and even scientific research assistants that propose experiments. For developers, this field offers immense opportunities to build intelligent systems that truly augment human capabilities and solve complex, real-world problems without constant babysitting. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.